What's up, everybody? Just let you know that when we went to this store in this antique shop here in Hagerstown, like on the door it said, no taking pictures without permission. So basically we asked the lady at the front desk, and she said, I asked her, can I, take pictures of the ceiling fan in the store? And she said yes. So I did. So basically I just, so what I did, there wasn't any ceiling fans for sale, but at least I got the ceiling fans in the store. So what I did is, like I didn't really, did this, well, maybe a little bit, but I just, felt a little nervous about, I don't really want to get caught, because, because there wasn't any ceiling fans for sale, but I just want to stop, and just, and if I saw some fans, I would take a video again, and do this and that. But I did, I did a little bit at the beginning of the video now. I know. Anyway, so, thanks for watching, everybody. Enjoy the show.
Antique store, and they have some ceiling fans, which means HBay Quick Connect. And it said on the front door, it says you have to ask permission, so it was very nice to take pictures here, so actually I'm going to stop. I think it's Emerson Northwind. It's on his broken blade table. Oh, here's another one. There's another one over here. I think this would probably be maybe Evergo, maybe, or Miami Carry. These spinners, or Miami Carries, or whatever these are called. There's another one. HBreeze classic style here as well. Newer version of it. It's like an outdoor.